welcome to our Recycling Hub, a project by students promoting sustainability.
Please introduce yourself, your name, course, and what year.
My name is Eileen Dangpilan. I'm a first-year student taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Here's my question for you. What made you purchase our product?
It's not the clothes actually. Yes, the clothes are pretty, they're quite fashionable, but what made me convinced to buy is their purpose, the advocacy of the hub, which is selling free-love clothes for waste management purposes. It's just inspiring for me as their students.
Please tell us your name, your course, and what year.
So hello, I am Rio Lawrence Reverso Timbol. I am a BSET English student from the School of Education, Arts and Sciences, and I am in my first year po.
What are the benefits of buying second-hand clothing?
So right off the top, I can think of two main reasons. Firstly, it helps to reduce waste because instead of buying newer clothes, you're actually contributing to the amount of landfill that ends up at the end. But if you buy second-hand clothing, you're reducing the quantity. And secondly, it helps to support sustainability, not just within our school, but also for the entire community and possibly the entire environment of our country.
How does supporting projects like this make you feel more connected to the school's environmental advocacy?
Well, I feel very connected because the main reason, honestly, is I feel like I can incite change in our school and our community, and that's basically it.
Please state your name.
My name is RTM Sapadon.
What did you buy from the recycling hub?
Clothes.
How did you find out about this recycling hub?
I was invited by my friends.
What can you say about the recycling hub?
The Recycling Hub promotes sustainability by selling second-hand clothes that people no longer use, giving them a new purpose instead of letting them go to waste.
Hi, my name is Jan Edmar, BSIS, first year.
What is your role in your recycling hub and what lessons did you get from your experience?
Ang role ko po dito ay magbantay. Ang experience po na natutunan ko is kung paano magnegosyo at kung paano i-convince ang isang consumer na bumili ng aming product at kung paano kahirap ang magnegosyo na kailangan mong pag-isipan muna, gumawa muna ng plano para maging okay ang kinalabasan ng negosyo para mas lalong madaming bibili.
What challenges have you guys faced and how did you guys overcome it together?
Challenges po na naranasan po namin is yung hindi po kami nagkakaunahan nung first day dahil hindi po kami magkakakilala. Pero nung mas nagkakala po, parang kilala na po yun namin isa't isa. Tapos medyo naayos na po yung grupo namin kung paano po kung paano yung gagawing plano para sa recycling.
How do you think the recycling hub has made a positive impact on our school community?
Sa pamamagitan po ng pagbebenta po namin dito, nakatulong po kami kahit kunti sa funds ng school. At napakita po namin sa mga estudyante kung paano kahalaga ang recycling, kung paano ito gamitin kahit matagal na at pwede i-donate sa iba para gamitin din ng iba pa at at mabili ng mas murang presyo.
Hello, my name is Carol Ann Mendoza. I'm a computer science student.
I want to ask you about our recycling hub po. As a student, ano po masasabi nyo sa recycling hub namin?
Nakakatulong siya dahil nakakatipid ako and yun. Like, for example, nakatipid ako ng 1K sa bibilhin ko sana na libro sa ibang lugar. Pero ngayon, nung nag-recycling sila, nakabili ako ng libro na worth 20 pesos lang, ganon.
Hello everyone, I am Princess Rizal Alcacela, PSCS 1 student.
Hub namin.
Ang maganda naman, nakakatulong yung recycle hub nyo kasi marami akong nakikitang magaganda yung na-attempt ko kong bumili kasi nung pabili na ako is So nakakatulong din yun sa mga students na bumili ng mga recycle. So maganda yung project yung yun.